It's another day of Vlogust, and today I am bringing you an update of my fairy garden. So if you want to see how my fairy garden is growing, keep moving. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I'm letting you see how my fairy garden is growing. And I brought an update earlier, and I thought you'd like to see how it is continuing to grow. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and gardening and health and beauty, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite gardening and housekeeping solutions. Okay, let's take a look at the fairy garden. Look at the two little caterpillars that have moved in. So now not only do we have fairies, we've got two caterpillars. Aren't they pretty? And I don't think the fairy's home. Oh wait, yes she is. There she is right there. Look how the creeping Jenny has bloomed. So one of the reasons for bringing updates is that gardens change. The succulent is really starting to spill over. And this basil, I had to give it a haircut. You can see the bloom on it right there, but I cut it back probably about a third. And I'll show you a video about how to do that. So now here's my question for you. What part of this fairy garden do you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, and cleaning, and laundry, and gardening, and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another day of Vlogust.